So what's up guys, my name is Joey, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to introduce how to install Robosell and how to activate the free trial. So firstly, go to your Shopify store admin panel, and I will take my own store as an example. So click the apps at the bottom of the navigation bar and type in Robosell, and click search for Robosell in Shopify App Store, and click Robosell, click add app, and click install app. And here we are. Congrats, you have reached the dashboard of Robosell. And then I'm going to help you activate the free trial. And you can find the start of free trial pop up here, and click get it now and type in Robosell 100 and click confirm button to activate it. So now you have been navigated to Billions, and from here you can check the usage of the free trial. And after the trial, you can choose a plan and use Robosell for the long term. And I will recommend you to go to automation, turn on all the switches, and that will start the automation. And by the way, don't forget to go to Shopify automation, find and delete the abandoned checkout automation to avoid email conflict. So that's it. If you have any problem using Robosell, welcome to leave the comment below. So see you next time.